Good evening. Welcome to the House of Overthinking. Today we have something I've been holding off for a couple of months now. It's Wicked time again. I'm not going to muck around with any preamble. I've had enough waiting. Got less than a week before the film comes out. And oh wow. The Lego Wicked set is bigger than I expected. Okay, well, obviously I'm going to have to open it for this to have any kind of... Alright, let's see if we can do this without... Wow, that was smooth. Alright. My life is complete. Now I have an Elphaba Lego doll. I would love to make this up on screen, but I can only imagine how long it would take, and it would get very, very boring unless I could speed it up and talk to you in a chipmunk voice. So I'm just gonna see if I can make up our friends, and I'll get back to you. Okay, well, I didn't get terribly far. These are the instructions, all sealed up. This is the most serious Lego business I've ever seen. All right, I've got a book of instructions and a book of, oh, I guess they do instructions in different installments. So there's multiple booklets to deal with different parts of the set and some transfers to go on pieces. This reminds me of playing with Lego when I was 5 years old, except my little brothers were far better at it than I was. They were very boyish Lego sets. It was all like fire stations and ambulances and trucks, and I think Wicked Lego is a little bit more my style. Alright, let's see if we can get Elphaba out. Release Elphaba. This is her sorting hat, her witch's hat. I'm given to believe... Oh! I just dropped Elphaba's head on the floor. That is a bad omen. Here is Elphaba's head. So at least we can put that on the... Well, we can put the head on her head. Alright, this is going to be my first and only victory that I will show you on camera. The next time, she will be a little more fully grown. Alright, I have located the parts of Elphaba at least, so... Knowing me, I'll probably break it. Alright, Elphaba has a torso. And now, unlike her sister, she can walk. She also has a broom and a little cape even, which will be gathered around her neck, and I'm sure it'll look pretty cool when it's attached. Welcome Elphaba to the world. All right, it's time for Glinda. Okay, I have gathered all the body parts and put the heads together, quite literally, and we're going to start with Glinda, who is currently in 4 pieces, like most of them. Super difficult stuff here, guys. Like, unless you're an advanced Lego builder, I don't know if I would recommend this, and the hair goes on like that. So here's our Glinda. And this is Billy. Hi, Billy. I was hoping he would say hi. And the treacherous, villainous Madame Marble. Although, if if this is anything to go on, she's going to have some pretty cool costumes, because even this dress has got some rather intricate detail. And a moon. She's got a moon on her dress. I mean, that's pretty cool. All right. Give her a head, just like Mombi in Return to Oz. And hair. I don't know what Michelle Yeoh's scalp looks like, but I think she needs her hair. All right, we're having trouble with that. You know, this is where the advanced Lego building would really come in handy. See, even as a villain, she won't cooperate. All right, let's see if the wizard is going to be just as willful. Jeff Goldblum. He's going to be a strange wizard. Not a bad one, just a different take. Let's see if I can get, wow, see, his hair went on fine. It was just Madame Marvel being difficult. Here is our duplicitous, very bad wizard. Batman. Okay, and last but not least, the love interest. Only he could stay like that. Just a hot body, no head, no brain. And then they wouldn't have any dramas. There he is. Our handsome and charming, but rather ditzy Fiyero. Will he end up with Glinda? Or will he end up with Elphaba? Don't we all love a good love triangle? All right, well, if you want to see me actually assemble this thing, you're going to have to ask me nicely in the comments, because that's going to take a little bit more fiddling around. But it is a pretty fantastic set. I definitely recommend getting one yourself if you're a fan of Wicked. I've never really been into Lego, but why not, right? I'm going to slip this in before the end. I forgot to show you the rest of the box. Of course, we have the wonderful stars Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande, who are set to dazzle and charm us in several days' time. And sneak peeks of the finished set. So this is the Emerald City version. There is also a Shiz University. I don't know if I'll be getting that one. I think I preferred the Emerald City. But there we go. So, hope you're having a wonderful night, day, wherever you are, and that you're looking forward to Wicked. I'll see you soon. Good night.